scary interesting about all these stories about white people climbing up mountains and dying because of hypothermia and other stupid things. And now I'm going to be the first ethnic Greek guy to do something stupid like that. It's the best moment of the year so far. And I've seen the pyramids.
Caliente? No, non caliente.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, if I ever instigated,
Mosaics. I think there's more mosaics here than anywhere in the Roman world.
Now if I fuck this model and she just bleach her asshole and I get bleach on my t-shirt, I'ma feel like an asshole. I was high when I met her. We was down at Tribeca. She get under your skin if you let her. She get under your skin. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to talk about it. I don't even want to say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they say nothing. Remind me where I know you from. She looking like she owe you something. You know just what we want. I wanna wake up with you in my.
We are finally in Sicily in 2024. It only took about 70 days to return. But we're here, Gael is here, the man behind the camera, the man behind the edits, the man behind this new content push too. Walking amongst the olive trees and almond trees. The Sicilian expedition continues. Beyond that, there's a lot of crazy stuff happening in March. Don't need to be anywhere anymore, man. Which is means like you need a proper reason to be anywhere. And the only proper reason to be anywhere is your friends and family are somewhere, or it's somewhere that gives you something to do, gives you some peace. Greece, even a place like this, gives you peace to live in.
Buonasera, signorina, buonasera.
It's the start of a new week, a new vlog. And old boy's got a spot in the sun. We all get a spot in the sun, actually. I am on the side of Mount Etna. I'm up for adventures this week. We're running around the Mediterranean as per usual. This guy reckons we're gonna bike up Mount Etna. Now, I don't know. I think these Italians get remember Pompeii. This guy's trying to be one of those plaster figures that people look at in a museum 2,000 years later. Or whatever, you know, an adventure's an adventure. This beautiful garden.
Trust you, I'm gonna
Amazing.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel.
I didn't bring any winter clothes on this trip because I thought I wouldn't be cold. But all of a sudden, we're climbing to the top of this mountain here, Mount Etna, active volcano, on bikes. And you think, you know, it's a popular thing. There'll be heaps of people. There's nothing. I just watched the one thing that's scary interesting about all these stories about white people climbing up mountains and dying because of hypothermia and other stupid things. And now I'm going to be the first ethnic Greek guy to do something stupid like that.
Remind me where I know you from. She looking like she owe you something. You know just what we want. I wanna wake up.
Monday afternoon, eh? I'm climbing a mountain. This guy. Straight uphill.
You know, the titles of the next videos are gonna be
Una fazza, una razza.
Successful Entrepreneur.
Dies on side of mountain due to hypothermia.
No, wait.
Big ass lemon. I don't know, understand how that's not going to be the most sour thing in the world.
Because the white part is actually This thick.
Very thick, huh?
Yeah, and the center
Turn me off
part.
some sun. I'm made for a slight Mediterranean breeze at 46 degrees. Looking at olive trees.
You can see some olive trees down there.
That's delicious. This is fantastic. I was very skeptical. I've never seen it before. Oh, I've seen big ass lemons, but not like this where it's
Because
very
this is
thick.
not a lemon, it's a variation. We call it cedro.
Yeah?
Cedro.
It's the best moment of the year so far. And I've seen the pyramids. Volcano, cello,
What?
volcano,
Yes.
cello,
Cedro.
cedro.
Cielo is sky.
Cello, cedro, both.
That's what you're missing out if you don't move your ass up and start something, start building something. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, and even if you're a digital nomad, you literally,
You can't be here at 3 p.m. on a Monday.
yeah, you literally won't have the time to just
Sit
visit
down.
all the beauties of the world.
Yeah.
And it's such a pity, right?
I didn't see any other employees, 9 to 5, work from home people on the side of this mountain. Are there any 9 to 5 workers here? Work from home? Oh. Oh, putana, my nose is gone.
How hot should it be? Caliente?
Aspetta. No, non caliente.
If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated, I just wanna feel liberated, If I ever instigated, I'm sorry. Tell me who in here could relate. Now if I fuck this model and she just bleach her asshole, and I get bleach on my t-shirt, I'ma feel like an asshole. I was high when I met her. We was down at Tribeca. She get under your skin if you let her. She get under your skin. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna talk about it. I don't even wanna say nothing. Everybody gon' say something. I'll be worried if they say nothing.
My nipples are diamonds. That's how hard they are.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe.